I don't know, it's wobbling. Wow, look at the plantation. It started raining. Which soup did you take?
Chicken.
Oh, and also me.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Tanya time. Today we are going on a staycation. Yes. So today is a pre-birthday celebration of my dear baby and tomorrow is its birthday, so today we are going to a resort, and you stay connected to know more about the resort. So guys, we are on the way to a resort with my Bingo baby.
Hi.
Hi. And of course all our luggage with our baby, and we are going. It's been quite long that we've gone out, and we've been really busy with our work for the past few months. So this is going to be a staycation for 2 days, that is 2nd and 3rd August. Maybe you're watching the video later on, because I'll be uploading this video later on. So we are hoping that it will be fun, and we are eagerly waiting for our stay. So the resort we are going to is Ibiza the Fun Resort and Spa. It's here in Kolkata. So let's get going. Merlin Greens, Ibiza the Fun Resort and Spa. So here we are. Wow, it's amazing, no?
Yeah. Which side?
That side. Yeah. Wow, look at the plantation. It started raining. Oh my god, I love rains, and wow.
Very nice.
Yeah, beautiful. We have buggies as well to roam around the resort. It's beautiful, really nice. So guys, our luggage has been picked up, and we have entered Ibiza the Fun Resort and Spa. Buggy, so that we can roam around. Just look at the waterfall, so soothing. Wow. Guys, we are here at the resort, and it's really beautiful, so calm, amazing. I'll take you to the resort tour later on. It's like almost 1:15. So we are gonna have our lunch. Like we're gonna check in and have our lunch first. I've booked a surprise room decoration for my baby. Let's see if he likes it or not. So I'll show that to you. Give you the room tour as well. So we have booked a fun club room, and it also has a bathtub. So if you're interested, then you can book this. Okay, so waiting to get in. So let's check in. So guys, we are on the way to our room, and you can see it is so beautiful. The passage is really amazing. Beautiful Nazare along with my baby. The best Nazara. This is one bridge. You like the resort? Look at it, this place. Isn't it nice? So there are a lot of adventure sports over here, activities. I've shown you the rate chart, you can check it out. Archery. So baby, are you interested to check these out? If at all we can come out of our room. We'll definitely check these. Where did he go? Yeah, there. Really nice, isn't it? So our room is on the first floor. Turn on the light. Light चला लेते हैं. Happy birthday, baby! Pre-birthday. Tomorrow it is your birthday. Do you like the celebration? Do you like the decoration?
Yes, very much. तो सरप्राइज हो गया.
Karala. Guys, I'm standing in front of our room door. Just see, it's so beautiful, marvelous. We really like the property. It's amazing, and this is our room. So let's give you the room tour. So come on. So this is our room, beautifully decorated for my dear baby on the occasion of his birthday.
I'm very happy. Wow.
I'm very happy that you are happy.
Wow.
Just on entering the room, you'll see the shoe and luggage space. You can keep your luggage and shoes over here. The dustbin is given over here. So it's this is the kettle. You're provided with different types of tea and coffee. 2 bottles complimentary. This big flat screen TV. This is work desk.
Yeah.
So you can check these out from here. It also has a spa and wellness center. Various services are there. You can book them as well. So this is the pretty work desk. That's really nice. This is the beautiful balcony. I'll show it to you. This is my beautiful baby. This is the lamp. And this is the phone. Little instructions: save our planet. Please change the bath linen. So this is the bed. beautiful king size bed. It's amazing. Let me show you the washroom. This is the washroom. This is the basin. And these are the various toiletries given over here. So there's a loofah, combs, dental kit. This is a vanity kit. This one is check. This one is a shower cap. And there's another shower cap given over here. I love Biotech products. I'm glad they have Biotech products. This is me. Okay, this is the shower cubicle. So this is the shower cubicle. These are Biotech shampoo, conditioner, and my favorite body wash. And this is the toilet, and this is my favorite, the bathtub. Amazingly decorated for my baby's birthday celebration. This is the wardrobe which baby is showing. Yes, there's a safe. Okay, there are slippers. There's another thing. What's that?
Is shoe mint.
Okay.
This side we have hanger
Okay.
and laundry bag.
Oh, it's good. We have mini fridge over here. You can keep the water bottles if you want cold water. And now let's show you the beautiful balcony. Baby, would you like to show the balcony?
Yes, yes.
Were you saying something to me while I was inside? Okay. I thought you were calling me out. So show them how the balcony is.
See, you have two chairs over here.
Yeah.
And this beautiful round center table.
Wow.
See the view. There's awesome greenery
Yeah.
outside. It's so quiet. And it's so lovely and awesome. I just love it. Love the surprise. Thank you, baby.
My pleasure, dearie. It's really beautiful. The sofa chairs also seem so comfortable. Yes, morning would be great, baby.
Yeah.
So we are glad that we are here for 2 days staycation and hope we love it. Oh, our balloon, one heart shaped balloon.
Yes.
See guys, balloon also wants to take a stroll. So guys, we are really loving it. Can't express in words, because especially because we have got this time after months, that's why. So yes, hope we enjoy this place, and hope you like the room tour, and we'll go for lunch now, isn't it, baby? Yes. Can you show those coupons?
Yes.
Like we've got for lunch, they gave us some coupons. Like we have included our breakfast, lunch and dinner, so they have given us coupons. Yeah, these are the coupons.
This is for today's lunch.
Yeah, this is for today's lunch.
This one is for today's dinner.
Yeah,
And this is for
tomorrow's breakfast. Yes. So we're gonna take these, and we're gonna have our lunch first, and we'll show you our lunch as well. And if we like go out, yeah, then we'll show you the resort as well.
Okay.
We're now going for our lunch. We'll see you at night. The lights are gonna look very beautiful at night, isn't it? I really like the infra over here. Like it's giving you all those village aesthetic vibes, as well as it's like very premium with all the modern amenities. So that's great. I love this perfect blend. I really like this bridge. I would like to try this. Would you like to try, baby? So I believe this is the restaurant for lunch and dinner. So let's hop in. Ambience is really amazing.
This one is chicken soup, this one is
So we have buffet lunch. So we have various items over here. A lot of items are there, both veg and non-veg. You can choose from whatever you want. This is all veg. Baked shandesh. Like these are all Bengali delicacies. Sweet counter. Oh, this is the non-veg part. We have murg, chili kebab, fish 65, gosht rizala, murg Lucknowi biryani. Seems amazing. Restaurant ambience is pretty good. Baby has seated himself. So baby, let's go and collect things. What have you taken? Soup? Which soup did you take?
chicken.
Oh, I'll also bring.
Yes.
Okay. This is the bar area. So this is a big and beautiful lawn. This is the restaurant where we had our lunch. This is my baby. This is a beautiful lake and I'm excited about this bridge. So this bridge is known as the Burma Bridge. Rupees 100 per head. If you want to move over this bridge, you'll have to pay 100, I suppose. So there is no one here, so let's try it some other time. This is Commando Walk. I think Commando NND छुप चुका है. This is also okay. This one is like rope में जाना है. This is Commando Walk. बाप रे.
नीचे पैर रख के फिर तुम्हें
भाई साहब. This is little scary. So this is also 100 per head. And this is bassoon chair.
बसून चेयर क्या है? बसून चेयर
100 per head. बोशून ना.
नहीं, ये तो टूट गया.
हाँ, कुछ तो है इसमें प्रॉब्लम.
इसमें ऐसा होगा, दोनों साइड हाथ रख के इसमें पैर रख के जाना होगा.
हाँ, ऐसे ही होगा शायद. And guys, I showed you the different sports activities that is over there. Not exactly sports, but yes, like what was that? Like it was archery and then boating and all these things. This is the island. Yeah, cycling was also there, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. So different colorful birds. Wow, wow, wow. So nice. Hello. Hey. No. Oh, nice. What are you trying to do? Bungee jumping or what? Wow. And we have rabbits. Hello, rabbits. Uh-oh. Come, baby. Let's explore. So, like, we had a lunch. We thought of walking a bit and also exploring the entire resort. Oh, this is a nice bridge. Yeah. Beautiful. Amazing. It looks like some scene from some wonderland, like dreamy wonderland, no? Wow, what is this, baby? Is this some...
I think you have to
stand over it also?
stand or sit, whatever you can do.
You wanna sit?
Look.
Nothing will happen. You can sit.
Then I have to sit like, I have to keep both the legs.
Do it.
But
Everyone is waiting for you to do it, including me. Come on, baby. Nothing will happen. नहीं टूटेगा.
खड़ा होने का होगा. करना है तो.
गंदा है. अच्छा बहाना बनाया तुमने. चढ़ जाओ फिर.
जूता गिर जाएगा.
कोई गंदा नहीं है. बैठो ना एक बार.
करना है.
Baby, what are you trying to do?
I think this is for standing or sitting.
I don't know. It's wobbling.
बट इसका ना सीधी ठीक नहीं है. I think ना. मतलब थोड़ा सा गंदा भी है.
Okay, leavey. This is rain tree. It is also known as the rain tree. It is a species of flowering tree in the pea family. It is native to Central and South America. How do you pronounce this? This is A or what? This A or D what? Semania salmon. Semania salmon. Nice cozy place to sit. Whoa. Clicked. So baby has posed. He knows that I'll click his pics, so he has posed. Now, yes, I'm clicking various angle pictures. He's posing. As you can see, this is how he poses. So guys, as you can see, this is how he'll keep on changing the pose, as he already knows that baby is clicking my pics. So smart, isn't it? So let me click some pickies in the portrait view. So guys, let's see you again. This is the children's playing area. So if you're bringing kids along with you, you can very well use this place. Na.
It's all just going round and round.
Yeah, these are the different trees, and they're marked with their names. Krishnachura was there. It's the lake. We were there clicking pictures. This is washroom. This is again a playing area. Like if you are bringing badminton, cricket, or any other kids, then you can go there and play. Even over here. This is that area. So this is the other side of that boating place. You see beautiful leaves. Wow, nice, amazing. Just look at this water. So serene, so quiet, so calm and serene. Wow. You can hear the breeze. Wow. So this is the sky. Amazing, isn't it? So we came from that side. So like if we go from here again, so round and round. So if you go round and round, then you'll come back over here, and again that boating part. And you can see these are water lilies. This one is about to bloom. Very beautiful, very nice. Some are over there as well. And this is eucalyptus, Corymbia citriodora. So guys, it started raining, so we are back to our room. Acha, you were saying hi. Okay, come again. Yeah. Hi. Okay. So let's get inside. It's so beautiful. I can't get over this decoration. It's really beautiful. Guys, see, they are paddle boating. We came because it was raining. So let's see if we can go after some time or maybe tomorrow. The weather is really beautiful, isn't it, baby?
Yeah, awesome. Beautiful.
Wow, we went there, na? Yahan se we went there and there and there, all these
All
parts.
that way.
Yeah, beautiful. So we didn't explore this area. I think it connects to that, or maybe there are other rooms over there.
I think this path is connected.
Yeah. The
But
problem.
some work was going on over there.
Yeah, some work was going on, construction work. So we came back. Very nice. So since we had just had lunch, I think by 3 we finished our lunch. So that's why we didn't want to go paddle boarding.
Let's
But
do it
it's
tomorrow.
beautiful. Okay, let's do it tomorrow. Nice. Tomorrow maybe we can explore some other sections of this resort.
What they are doing? They are going backwards.
Yeah.
And now they will collide with other.
Oh. Yeah. Actually, I think they're not paddling. These
They are paddling in the reverse direction.
Yeah.
They are
Also,
paddling
these
forward.
like the ladies are not paddling, I think, at all.
They are not doing it.
Yeah, that's why.
Only that person over there from on the left side he is doing.
Or maybe they are scared, or maybe they're just relaxing. That's why both of them, all of them have to do it. Otherwise, I don't want to shout and say. But it's beautiful. Never mind, it's very beautiful, and especially just look at the leaves. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. Very beautiful. So we're gonna take some rest now, and after that, in the evening, let's see what we can do. Maybe we'll explore some areas, or maybe we'll just chill out in the room. See you again.